Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Mr. Black quest tree in Abyss Roblox. So in the Mr. Black quest tree, the fading colors quest, you need to catch 4 Metal Mutated Fish and also 3 Albino Mutated Fish. So the metal one will look like this fish right here. This is a metal mutated fish with like silver color around it. And for the albino one, it's a little harder to catch, I would say. But the fish is actually look like this. Let me show you. Sorry, maybe I accidentally sell it to the Kraken, but it almost looks the same like the metal one, but it looks a little bit more pale, like this color, but in white. You just need to catch 8 of that fishes, and you'll complete the Mr. Black quest. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.